can you just get like a handle on how many highlighters I have right now? I don't know what they're for, but we have them, so they gotta be kept, because you know, that's the running theme. If you have it, keep it. Good morning, guys. So I kind of wanted to just have like life update video while I like clean out my desk. I feel like there's stuff to catch up on, and I'm just feeling chatty this morning. Life has just been a lot lately, you know, like wedding and I don't know, school, trying to finish, YouTube. So my desk has just kind of gotten crazy because I'm never here. I was thinking about it on my drive over here that there's a lot of good things kind of going on in my life right now, and I really would like to take advantage of those things and just be grateful for what I have, even though I'm kind of really stressed at the moment, and like go from there. The pool is almost clean, which is super exciting. I'm so sorry for this white balance. Like I feel like it's just being terrible. Hold please. Look at me being all fancy, knowing about like white balance. It's still going, whatever. The pool is pretty much done at this point. My brother-in-law, thank you so much, sir. He has finished kind of like setting up the pool and the filter. That's really good, and my flowers are blooming. I posted on Instagram this morning, although by the time you see this, it'll have been like a week or so ago, so I'll put that picture over here. School laptop. I have this lush backyard, and I'm so grateful for it. And I have my pool that I get to use this summer, and I'm so incredibly blessed by like the house that I ended up getting. And like I love my house so much. I'm not particularly religious, but I do feel very like I've had blessings, or I'm blessed with those things. You know, like I feel like that's kind of a weird thing people talk about. Oh, I'm so blessed. But like, especially when you're not super religious, but I really feel grateful for all of those things, and they brought me a lot of joy this morning. Ready for this? My stupid desk. I have to reach all the way behind this drawer and pull a lever to like get this to open. It's such an annoying thing. One moment. Not today though. Stickers. Who knew? Random marker. I'm put with the other markers. All right, let's see. Tape. Blue food coloring. This was a scent thing I had for my desk drawer. I think it's done now. Hey, thank you cards. I need to remember that these are in here. Be good, right? What else? Another pencil. These stamps. I'm honestly not sure how many of these work anymore. I got this set from, I think, Lakeshore, and I love it. But I really don't think they work anymore. Shall we find out? See? Most of those stamps still work, actually. Here's the first very good up here, and then like there it is down there. It's definitely not working. The rest have some life in them yet, so we'll keep those. And we can put this back on here, throw that out. 1.5 million highlighters when we used to highlight the textbook, although I kind of hate my textbook, so although I am getting a new one, I think. We looked at new science curriculum, so we should see about that. These I used in winter. You watch me replace these with the leaves that are up there. I got more of these. Maybe I'll try and put them back in the bag. What do you think? I feel like I should. Putting that away, yay! What are these things? Oh, that's a positive note. Keep the positives because they don't come up enough for you. There's that. I don't know, why is this pipette in here? This can be garbage though. And we'll put these towards the back because I will find them when I need them, but I just don't need them enough. So we're down here on the floor. I'm gonna sit on these like latch tiles. Honestly, my students are in 7th and 8th grade and they loved those tiles. Like, they loved them. I don't know what it is, but like they really enjoyed it. So if you have an extra like 20, 30 bucks to throw at it and you want kids on the floor, like, have at it. Okay, so this drawer. Pencils in the pencil drawer, marker over here. I got a lot of stuff in here. I'm gonna be straight honest, but honestly, a lot of it is organized. Like, this drawer is pretty good. I got envelopes here, board cleaner, 3 hand sanitizers. I should probably flip that actually. Hand sanitizers, board cleaner, a ball, another ball because we did circle, and you know, expo markers. Like, I have a ridiculous amount of school supplies. Expo marker. Why is this cap like not even on? What is going on here? More Sharpies. I have or highlighters. More Kleenex wet wipes. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm just like stocked full over here, and I had no idea. Like, can you just get like a handle on how many highlighters I have right now? Like, I must have at least 30 in this drawer, plus the 30 that's in that basket. It's nuts. How many highlighters does this person need? Anyway, board cleaner, unopened markers, and like fun colors. We'll put the big ball back in here. Pencils, 2 hole punches. And all of these are in like beakers because, you know, obviously I have 1.5 million of those being a science classroom. Scissors. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Plus, I'm sure there's a pair on my desk. Yep. 9 pairs of scissors. These are by far my favorite ones. They are super sturdy. I have no idea where I got these. Actually, my stepmom got them. She gave me a whole bag of office supplies. Sharpies and wet erase markers, including a thick, bold guy. I love wet erase markers. These are the best. Plus whatever's in here, like, what is this life even? Like, all of these are in the wrong spot. Like, what is even going on here? So what we're doing right now is we're putting wet erase in one, like normal Sharpies in the other, and then just other markers that I used for anchor charts that I would do. So, ready? Wet erase, Sharpies, and then other markers, scissors in the middle. All of these pens that I have, like, I have so many pens. Don't ever let me buy office supplies, guys. Like, don't. Like, I don't even know. I was gonna do like a back to school haul, but like, what in the world do I actually need? Honestly, this desk is so loaded. And like, I have 2 things of Lysol disinfectant. I have 6-in-1 Airwick spray. I have a huge stapler, a box of tissues, not to mention the 12 that I have in my closet. Pretty sure it's actually 12. I have all of these dry erase markers, plus these 2 packs that aren't open. 5 things of wipes here. Can you even see them all? Plus, like, extra tissues. Oh, these even have sayings on them. Sneeze the moment. They really should have put sneeze the moment. Just saying, it's Kleenex. Where's the other ball? Second ball. Hold, please. Okay. Like, there's entirely too much in this desk. All right, what else we got? I just found 6 command strips. I like actually need one of these at home, and I don't know why they're here, so we're gonna take those home. Bathroom passes. Those will be good. Keep those for next year. A quarter. Another bathroom pass. A project. Another bathroom pass. Oh my goodness. How many bathroom passes does a girl need? Really? Another Sharpie. Clearly I have too many markers. Garbage. Headphones. What's this? Oh, this was a sped binder I was starting. Not that I ever filled any of this out, but I had it, so, you know. Bathroom passes. I don't know what to do with that. There's that. All right, what's in here? Can you see? No. So, stapler, colored index cards, white index cards, word wall cards. Oh, adhesive square label pockets. Those are handy. AC remote, that's good. Million paper clips. I love this container. I think I stole it from my mom. Sorry, Mom. But a million paper clips. So there you go. Have a ton of those. Clear protector sheets. I live and die by these. This pack is probably from Walmart, to be honest. What else we got in here? File folder. Oh, this is from when I cleaned out my desk a while ago. Line paper, color file folders. Oh, hey, look. All right, well, Velcro dots, more clear protector sheets, more file folders, and ready, hanging file folders and more file folders. Like, hit me up for any kind of office supplies if you're in my building, because apparently I got it all. All right, what do we got? Oh, good, you can see. I love this size, like sticky note, like this size. It starts up here at the top. Oh, clutch. Okay, template. Other template for hearts. Oh my goodness. All right, what do I even do here? I got rulers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rulers. Because you know, I need all of them. All of the rulers. They must be mine. Pens. I got pens. Colored pencils and crayons. Alright, what are these things? Alright. Oh, so I had a data wall and I used like yellow and blue stars and I used green and red apples to like track kids because we use stars, so like the yellow, red, green, blue system. Alright, well that's useful. I'll keep that. More magnetic tape. I used to have a magnetic calendar. That's probably what that's from. Jeez, how many Post-its do I have? This whole thing is full of Post-its, and it's not even all of them. Oh look, more pins. And like, I didn't even buy most of this office supplies. Like, it was given to me, or it was in the desk, or like, my stepmom had a ton of it. And when I first got this job, she like gave me a huge tote bag full of it. And I just like kept it all. Like, most of those scissors are from her. A lot of these random things are from her. And then like, there's random things I just bought every now and then. Like these map pins. Because you know, that's a normal thing to have in a desk. And like, you're given a million Post-its. And I bought that magnetic tape. And you just like get school supplies from people all the time. And like, yeah, I need it, but like, wow. Do I have enough? I'm not sure. I'm honestly not. Staples. More binder clips. These should probably go with the rest of the binder clips. Staples. Tape. Templates for something. Who knows? I don't know what they're for, but we have them, so they gotta be kept, because you know, that's the running theme. If you have it, keep it. These can probably go with these stars over here, actually. These are more Post-its. Map pins, that can go back in here. All right, what else do I got? Tape. Why don't we put that up here with the actual tape? Invisible tape, more. And yet, what is this? Stickers. Glue sticks are in this box. I have a million erasers, more stickers, random pencil case. All right. Stickers actually probably should go in this drawer here with tape and sticky stuff.
right, guys, that'll wrap up this desk cleanup. Hope you enjoyed this chat. Let me know down below if you want me to do more of these kind of just stream of thought ideas. Hope you guys have a great weekend and a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.